okay. Let me just mention. Okay, Mr. Njuguna. Progress with what is pending at the High Court. Yes, please.
Could we dispense off with the attendance of the... my name is Dan Sonomari for the Paradise Pastor.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Mr. Njuguna.
Yes, I am on record for the first of this person.
Yes.
I will read for Mr. Kagani for the second. The other problem is that the economy last week of March found the position.
We can mention the first week of March.
2021 to confirm progress with what is pending at the High Court.
Before the penalty,
Yes, please.
could we dispense off with the attendance